This video is part of a playlist that supports the book Apprenticeship Behaviours, Mastering Essential Thinking Skills. If you have this book, you should now be at the Logical Thinking chapter. This video explores the world of logical thinking, an essential cognitive process that plays a vital role in effective problem-solving and decision-making. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of logical thinking, how it differs from critical thinking, and why it's crucial for apprentices in the workplace. Let's start by defining logical thinking. It's a way of reasoning that relies on clear, structured, and rule-based principles of logic. When you think logically, you break down complex problems into smaller, more manageable parts, and then apply a step-by-step approach to reach a solution. Logical thinking allows you to assess whether statements are true and if their connections make sense. Now you might wonder, what's the difference between logical and critical thinking? While both are essential for effective problem-solving, logical thinking focuses on structured, rule-based reasoning, while critical thinking considers logical thinking but is more flexible and tends to focus on analysing the situation. In other words, logical thinking is a crucial component of critical thinking. So, how do you apply logical thinking to your everyday life, especially in the workplace? Here's a step-by-step approach to help you tackle problems logically. Define the problem. Clearly identify the issue you need to solve. Gather information. Collect relevant data and evidence related to the problem. Break down the problem. Divide the problem into smaller, more manageable parts. Analyse each part. Apply logical principles to each aspect of the problem. Synthesise your findings. Combine your analysis to reach a conclusion or solution. Evaluate the solution. Test your solution to ensure it's valid and effective. Now let's explore the three key principles of logical thinking: deduction, induction, and abduction. Deduction. This is a top-down approach to reasoning, where you start with a general premise and use it to make specific conclusions. For example, if all apples are red and you have an apple, you can deduce that your apple is red. Induction. Inductive reasoning is a bottom-up approach, starting with specific observations and using them to draw general conclusions. For example, if you notice that the sun rises every day, you might conclude that the sun will always rise. Abduction. Abductive reasoning involves making educated guesses based on the available information. For example, if you see a wet street, you might infer that it has rained recently. As an apprentice, developing logical thinking skills is critical for your success in the workplace. These skills help you identify problems accurately, analyze situations effectively, and make well-informed decisions. By mastering logical thinking, you'll become a valuable asset to your team and organization, capable of tackling complex challenges and driving positive outcomes. So there you have it. Now you're equipped with the knowledge and tools to enhance your logical thinking skills and apply them in your daily life, especially as an apprentice in the workplace. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.